Are you looking for the best table saw in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best table saw that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Skill SPT99T1 8-1 divided by 4-inch portable worm drive table saw. The SKILSAWSPT99T1 8-1 divided by 4-inch portable worm drive table saw is skillfully designed to offer maximum torque, especially for ripping applications. It is extremely lightweight in its overall design, with a compact base making it extremely easy to use and move around when working at multiple locations on the job site. It has a standard 8-1 divided by 4 inches 24 teeth blade, which connects to a 5/8 inches diamond arbor, making it great for almost any cutting job on the move. What is interesting about this table saw is that it contains a battery and it is also corded. This, together with the rack and pinion system, make it very well adapted to variable adjustments and smoothness of cut. Due to the large 15A motor with 60 amp input current, this table saw is very powerful. This, coupled with its inbuilt cord wrap, helps to keep accessories nice and tidy in storage compartment. When looking at a table saw for beginners, I always consider the cutting depth at different bevel angles. This tool is quite impressive on that end. It has a maximum cutting depth of 2-5 divided by 8 inches at 0 bevel degrees, and 1-7 divided by 8 inches at 45 bevel degrees. This model, the SPT99T, is often compared with another one of Skill's table saws, namely the SPT70WT1. However, this could not be further from the truth. This model has a more powerful worm drive and a larger rip capacity. Also, what I like about this table saw is that, just like any other, it has a pretty decent dust evacuation system where you can install a vacuum. It has a built-in exhaust tube at the back of the blade shroud that can easily connect to a vacuum. Once everything is set up, the table sits approximately 35 inches from the ground, making it a good height to start any cut. Another thing I like about this saw is that, due to the worm drive, it is slightly less noisy than your typical table saw. This is due to the gear design of the worm drive. It has a slightly dampening effect on the noise. Given that there is nothing that can be done about the blade noise, it is a really cool add-on. This table saw could, however, improve on the accessories that they provide. They are relatively low quality and would need to be replaced. Up next in the 4th place is the Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 portable tabletop saw. Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 is a fantastic compact and small tabletop saw. It has a tabletop handle that makes transporting the entire table saw very easy. They have really improved this design from the previous version, making the X2 more powerful, having an overall better cutting capacity and providing more accuracy. It also has a larger rip fence for more control when performing a cut. The BladeRunner uses T-shank jigsaw blade. This has a couple of advantages over your typical circular saw blade. It makes for a lighter and more compact design, provides for a tool-free blade exchange, and you can very easily cut various types of material much quicker, making it extremely agile overall. It comes at barely 15 pounds, and given that it is multifunctional, really makes this one of the gems when it comes to the best table saw for beginners. The X2 can easily rip cut, cross cut, and scroll cut without too much adjustment. It has really cool feature where the miter can lock and rotate 0 to 60 degrees. This makes it easy to perform many different projects that your typical larger table saw would be able to achieve. This table saw also comes equipped with 5 blades from the box, providing for a wide range of cutting material including wood, ceramic, plastic, and even metals. Obviously, this is not your standard table saw. However, it makes the list due to its portability and multifunctionality. One thing I did not like about this table saw is that it is not really designed for performing long rip cuts. The blade is not very well designed for such application. However, for any homeowner of beginner, this little tool can do amazing things without needing to go for a full-blown table saw. If you use the vacuum attachment correctly, you can get almost 100% dust-free cuts, which is amazing. For the price and the flexibility that comes with this table saw, it is definitely a top contender for the best table saw for beginners. The 3rd product on our list is the DEWALT 10-inch table saw. This table saw has plenty of power and it can easily cut through different types of wood. The DEWALT 10 inches table saw is probably the most ergonomically designed of all the table saws on this list. When it comes to features, this one is an absolute must-have. It is perfect for any weekend warrior or any individual looking any DIY. The rack and pinion telescoping technology fence system is great for making adjustments and allows for overall smoothness and accuracy during a cut. All the above allow for very powerfully designed motor, which is great for creating rip and cross cuts on various types of wood. Furthermore, the onboard storage system is superbly impressive. It allows you to store your fence, riving knife, miter gauge, and any wrenches. This is great for anyone who uses these accessories often. And especially for beginner, this makes sure you do not lose equipment you really need. There are a couple of things that could be improved about this table saw. The blade parallel adjustment are difficult to use, and the fence moves depending on the speed in which you set the lock. Many people also complain that at times the top may not be as flat as you'd expect from such a reputable manufacturer. However, with all the positives and cons, the DEWALT 10-inch table saw 32-1 divided by 2-inch rip capacity is one of the best table saws for beginners without a doubt. The user manual is fantastic. It can easily be stored, and it provides for consistent bevel cuts. A bit of history on this table saw would tell you that it is an improvement on previous models, the 7480 and the 7490X. The upgrades of course include the increase in rotor speed of 48 RPM. Also, an additional improvement from previous models is that DEWALT has increased the capacity of the dust port and made it bigger. Now the dust port is 2-1 divided by 2 diameters as opposed to the previous 2-1 divided by 4 inches. Not this might sound like a small difference, but the larger diameter makes cutting much easier, as this all but reduces dust to very minimal overall. Second on our list is the SAWSTOP Hanga-inch professional cabinet saw. Every woodworking professional knows that finding an affordable cabinet table saw is mentally tiresome. Most table saws are too expensive and doesn't fulfill their needs. Hence, it isn't worth investing. But this model is an exception. It is the best cabinet table saw you can find in the market. The SAWSTOP is a well-respected brand among woodworkers, and its quality is far beyond any other brand you come across. Their safety system makes it stand out from the crowd. It is exceptionally designed, and more importantly, it is sturdy, stable, and reliable. It can chop of wood at any size. When we speak of size, the tabletop area of the saw is spacious enough to accommodate woodworking of all kinds. So, it is needless to say that it is a versatile product in every sense. Everything is easy to reach and safe. The measuring tools are accurate, and its miter gauge and the T-glide fence provides extreme lockdowns that invariably avoids deviation. This model is one of the best when it comes to dust collection and dust management throughout the entire work area. As we have said earlier, it has so many great safety features, such as the patented blade termination system. If you are looking for a quality cabinet table saw endlessly, this is the best model that isn't priced too high either. Finally, the top product on our list is the Makita 2705-10 table saw. Looking for a powerful contractor table saw? Then the Makita 2705 table saw is an amazing equipment to have with you as a contractor. You will find all the specifications you need. This machine is made of an absolutely powerful 15-amp motor that easily delivers 48 RPM. It powers through all kinds of woods and provides exceptional precise cuts. The tabletop is big enough to accommodate woods of all sizes, so you don't have to worry about the length of the workspace. The tabletop is perfectly flat, meaning that there won't be an issue of deviation and uneven cuts. It is easy to use and gives you maximum accurate cuts possible. Versatility is one of the strongest USP of this model. The compact design gives it an attractive look. Although it doesn't have some of the premium safety features, it makes sense if you want to buy an affordable table saw. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.